With this kit, the Card Keeper Kit, create 10 beautiful all-occasion cards and then organize them in this beautiful and practical card organizer box. Also, I've included a free gift for you of some brushed butterflies, brushed gold butterflies, or brass, I should say. So let's take a look at the box. Take the lid off here. So the box has dividers. I've got cards in there. Let's see. So the dividers with different labels on them. So there's birthday, love and support, miscellaneous. I'll just read them to you. Miscellaneous, seasonal, special occasion, and thank you. So not only do you get this great organizer box with a lid, which has blue foil accents on it, the box itself I love. I mean, you could even use this as a gift box, or you can keep it to organize your cards. So the cards, there's no ink or stamp or block in this kit, so it is more reasonably priced. All of the envelopes, so you have these the green and the yellow envelopes to coordinate with the different cards. And then I don't have all of the cards here, so it comes with these pre-printed sentiments, 10 different ones. It comes with these gold foil leaves and these die-cut leaves, and there's one of the butterflies I'm including. And you can see the gold foil in the flowers, in the center of these flowers, hopefully, and some more gold leaves and some vellum behind there, and another little butterfly up at the top here. So you'll have 10 different cards, 10 different sentiments. Here's a happy birthday. Here is a thinking of you. Here are just because. And then I've got some hanging up on the wall. Best wishes, happy for you, just because, thinking of you. So I think you get 2 each of the sentiments, so 5 different sentiments to choose from. So this is a great kit. Not only do you get the cards, you get the organizer, you get the beautiful box. So this is the Card Keeper Kit. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.